But now, it's time to leave all that behind. Sovol is here to redefine what's possible. The world's first 3D printer with true independent dual extrusion and 1+6 tool head switching, powered by our proprietary tool-changing system. A single motor delivers fast, precise tool swaps in one seamless move. Move effortlessly between print modes and unleash your creativity. This is efficiency. Double.
You can print an entire pair of shoes in one go?
Of course, absolutely.
Powered by an advanced eddy current scanning leveling system for lightning-fast, ultra-precise calibration. With Sovol's exclusive mirror mode, you can achieve high-speed production while maintaining flawless consistency. It's not just double the output, it's a leap forward in manufacturing efficiency.
I want the brighter color for my toy.
Don't worry, this machine got you covered.
Does it have those too?
Sorry, you're gonna be disappointed.
Sovol also solves one of the biggest challenges in multicolor printing, material waste. 6 automatic filament feeders continuously preload material, while independently heated tool heads keep every filament preheated and ready to print. Experience high-speed multicolor printing with up to 500% greater efficiency, turning every color idea into reality without compromise. Ditch waste, unleash imagination, bring vibrant life to all your creations.
Wow!
This is what true zero-waste multicolor printing looks like. Sovol is fully embracing open-source innovation.